Matthew Kofi Ken Arthur, Ghana Ford Dona, in him, friend Kenatha. And there, or the same year to dry, I was here for, and I just want to be at the Amona, a Bishop Doug Hayward Mills, or no, and yeah, so for Penia or that a lighthouse, sorry for Nina, I know. Na, I was here for Sa, and somewhere, Ebony dear, a more entry money dear, Nina, no, a crying, and Yentia, and I cannot so, I bet to be at the Amona so for so, yet they, and when Chimnina, Ebebro. So and she loves Stone Boy. Obi my friend the hype woman of Stone Boy. Just on no dear rather rain or shine or no obejinamu akebi e diama Stone Boy. And all the same ya babe to dwa and some no dia betu dwa no so na che so no so atutu bisa e diamona sa akode ani na no and say and same ya sa akode e kekan wa brajo bi e feature no nyuma na title e cool no so. Yen sha se with e Kofi Kinata ene e Bishop Doug Hayward Mills and some. Yenim say Ghana has say dear oba e Kofi Kinata dear or one of the musicians e beka se no some and Shada Emma won't say you will not wake up to hear say bia wakoye way and I say wakoye way and I saw buy and chay or bar industry mono and chay your crowd the utumu so one who modin here ankasa and unti no no one some na and Shadam by a year Ghana for a year do draw now because musician bia controversies one who but on in particular dear open one summer and ya dear ubenya Okopia mu ewo eye Castle FM na enkomo twitwe no mu no anase enkomodi de bi ekoso between ono ankasa ne ho ene presenter bakwa ne din ede Amansan Krache. So wonim Kenata yi a ebusiafo ono de eba na ambassadorial deals a ono so enipa bakwa okura bebre na ewo Ghana hase. Now one of the companies ya signing no as an ambassador to enye company bi say Betway Ghana eno no a game site na afiso so eye betting company o Ghana hase no nyomuye na nese wo ye abrantie especially menka se mema dodo na ebia wutifie no fili se wire board ni ade bia na se usika ni hu bebia na wakọ site so wakọ sha se ebia Manchester ene Chelsea na Liverpool na ebo na chese wakọ tena okay o we be hwe ene o predict na se hu wini as kana boom ma o say de na chese bebia ewudi ama o sa dwuma ni bi pepepe ana dwuma we na eye Kofi Kinata ya fa ne se ombra me ambassador and pharmacy betting company na nipa ba ko a eba no betting company chese ono de onfo aso a okasatia na emponu embra Ghana aban edi abakra o se osan so efo sa embra no so enye obi ase Bishop Doug Hayward Mills na embra o preachy in one of the sermons a course so e wona sorry no e na o chemu say in fact ade abako a ama ohia anasa ahokyere adoso ewo Ghana ha say especially among the youth no ye beka se bets what you say it is okoto abochacha what to bet me bet bobo medi bet say no ya de ba ko a ema ohia che say poverty efa amanfo dodo na ewo Ghana ha say ntira papa we e de ka we ni na no o kire mu dia abra no so no ono so sa na no oye na brabo enso ni ba no ho so no hu say I said in fact for now omonya sana I said sro na omokono no mom na de bia odi betechi edi betechi no I said na brabo no e forma na oba me kotu ensama eye papa Doug Hayward Mills e kan ya me pacho ne some kan no and that screen no or say when I was younger I used to go to the horse races and you will see them coming sometimes 15 of them and those of us who were betting you choose one and you bet on that one. I hear students have been betting. Look, if you want to be poor, continue betting. Let's just say, so ohia nemi pa ebe ya wadam for dear. And your koswa na bet because ohia so befa wadam for pa. Now way and a Kenata ekopie mu ewa interview so ewa Castle FM. Na bra and komono ekos between ono any eye Amansan Krache pepepe. And Amansan Krache editu nim se Kenata wakwaye nimpa Betway for assign no now we brand ambassador for Betway just say who promote betting ewa Ghana hase ewa social media platforms and some are so for penny Doug Hayward Mills edibetu dwano wagin tre wa asem wu anything e hono na Kenata edina asem ba betu just say wa Amansan Krache obeya na odi me akwa akoto amanim na emom no webisa me nkwa de nya de metwe wano ede awofom te de ma me fa me yi ano ema and some are Kenata e kan ye me patcho no na e was screen so no or say Amansan Krache by the time we finish this interview I'm very sure that you would have ended up giving me problems. Proverbially, it is said that what the elderly sees while sitting, the young cannot see, even if they are standing. So probably it depends on what he has seen. That's why he's advising the youth to stay away from sports betting, because he's been in this world for a long time. However, it is two-sided when it comes to sports betting. Now just say, may first half no media or children in some media. So for the wakasa, name of sending penny for baby or say, I dear penny muti from crowd, be who I was through one who I could get one or fruit, even if you climb the tallest tree, I will you see a now cry. Who could not Everest cry, and ya dear, who be who name of no send your soft on the can, a beyond on the on them near whom and it's no casa. Now so a woman in the second half inch, Mary Diamano, cannot age the media. Sa sports betting we are so for their casa and yet a bit to me a good Ebama or here after the minimum. And I'm sa sports betting ya so and obiso and of tea on here minimum and net or the abbey ya or to me a shene busia for then sa corner no eman busia for so answer come one. And some more kind and then a desk screen so no. Also there are some people who were also wallowing in abject poverty, but through taking a sports bet, they won and have suddenly become billionaires. So does it mean their riches from sports betting as a misfortune? Or you know, and other to us say there are some people who get their daily wage from betting. So the same betting that he claims can make people poor has also made some filthy rich. Let's just say, or chenning some dia sending can kaino. Adia so for ne case, ama ebema waye or yeni, just a wood your better obey your yenu. Sa de crona, obiswa faswa and ne, utumi edidi ama ebisu crano, as so nebusia forso. Ebesia for you and some na ne ye twaswa ye call a Aisha Modi, and ne sarcodi. Na Aisha Modi ne sarcodi and some dia quite say, obi basia woo akrafo me no omote. Just say, Uhunia we dia and yonko, but every day biano or more issues. Adekodia party as how Edia ye Aisha Modi. Now today and day out be Aisha Modi opportunity to be a piano. Honesta Kodie ewo issues. Na obimu nima mamen kayu kakra nansi ya ebimu tra nansi ya ni kosi ewo sa kodie ne concert yo Black Love virtual concert no koye na sabra hezas no kosu na Stonebwoy kobo ne manager. Angel Town and runtia ne nam so Aisha Modi. Just on what can't me says will be defend Stonebwoy no. I was so defending in this case to anything and audience ano. And somewhere course so the Aisha Modi every platform be obenye biano up to be at the money a year sa kwadia recently crying your can find winning and say sa kwadia ungrateful even or and you cry do na ya or Nick Castro ye crano and who royalty say by or man ma be near far he could see just wakasa be brave ni nano just like we know sa kwadia to be on what kind of some nya di obeba abeka bia fa hu rubisan radio so cry or the asano be won anya dia obeyi ano na mom no like a typical sa kwadia what can I small baba replying? The only way to me reply you are of list or reply you or be comfortable. You to mo just or the lyrics no be good so or better lyrics now won't say yes or can you some when I'm penny and pa joy be or in fuphobia by the title no code. Now in this code of a song gonna just so feature sa kwadia also. Now in some few lines as sa kwadia ebeka no to say way there or addressing issues sa Aisha Modi na Peace FM so ekeka ni na me pacho say wunim nyum na lyrics asa akode eka wom na and they make headlines na manfo ina eka wasem and in that screen is not say I have heard it all but I am very relaxed. I heard you were on Peace FM. Sorry, I didn't listen because I was monitoring my cash in stocks. If indeed I owe you, let's settle it in police barracks and courts and not on the radio. If you don't receive a reply from me after denigrating me, it just means you don't deserve my attention. Me patrol and no NSA kodia akawam no say hey, who kasa me to you. Name no mama me kasa because hey, who you say wo kasa ma na ha me no there be and ha me kra me na me ti baby a me hwe me sika sam se na be ya ebe koso. And some go so a trend ya and Aisha Modi so ababo nti wasan abetu be dia mane na. Or kire me dia me patron na that screen no. So I chere nsem dia say hello. So he really did. Or say hello. So he really did. The fearless Zongo Nima woman standing. I am the only strong woman in the industry who can serve you good meals you can't resist. I don't deserve the back and forth, but you were able to waste your time and money, enter a studio to record and on top of it or shoot a video to talk about me. Wow, am I that important in Ghana? Opana has made me know that I'm doing right in this industry? How can I deserve your back and forth when Dr. UN is your master? Even on my sick bed, I will fight for justice for my loved ones. I'm not afraid of death. Cry, you will pay. Not just say, or the laughing emoji tattoo, or patching in some media. Sa kwa dia wose undeserve attention pono enu pono wa studio akọ recording you man san kra ye hu video dia aba beto abonte bra any attention do deserve or chen nsem dia no podi on pay attention because wo sa akọ na wugina ho no obi oye master ankasa Dr. UN say Dr. UN your master anka wugina ho na ye mfa feeding bottle and show nsem to say award.